Hey everybody, Jim Midnight Road Garage. You guys know I love my Chevy truck, and I'm a fan of Chevrolet. Although I think it's really cool that they didn't fill in the Chevrolet on the tailgate and just left it body color so that people who really don't want to advertise for Chevrolet don't have to. I don't mind advertising for Chevrolet. I think it's going to look a whole lot cooler if I put some raised black lettering on it. So obviously I found these on Amazon. There's a link in the description. Now the ad says that they use 3M tape. So the directions we're going to use today for installing these come directly from 3M. So the first thing we want to do is check the temperature. According to 3M, the minimum temperature we need is 50 degrees. Now, it's about 57 out here today, and I kept the decals inside my house, so those are at more of a room temperature of upper 60s. Now, you could use a heat gun or a hairdryer or something to heat up the metal. I don't recommend it. These are just way too easy to overheat the paint and cause damage to your vehicle. So don't do it unless you're really, really good with a heat gun. It's not worth it. Just wait for a nice day. So the next thing we need to do is prep the surface. As you can see, my truck's a little dirty. So let me do some work real quick. Okay, now that I've washed it, I'm going to dry it real fast, and then we're going to clean it again with some water and isopropyl alcohol mix. 3M says use a 50-50 isopropyl alcohol to water mix. Now, this is a soaking wet rag, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour some on there. That should be about 50-50. It's close enough for me. You might want to mix it up yourself, but I'm good with it this way. So using our alcohol and water soaked rag, we just want to go over where we're going to be applying the decals. We're just going to go down the tailgate until we get them all clean. Okay, that takes care of that. I'm just going to let that air dry for a couple minutes, and then we'll get started with the decals. People often ask me where these products are made. Now, while that's drying, let me tell you about it. This particular product that I found on Amazon, as you can see, was made by none other than John Cena. Only he misspelled his name. Either that or it was made in China and they misspelled their name. So if you look at this letter itself, it does not fill that indentation completely. So you want to make sure you center this when you put it on. Now what I like to do is use the longest edge. That makes it easier to make sure it's straight and not cattywampus. You can peel your white paper off just about halfway. That way you don't have to worry about getting your fingers on the adhesive. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can go ahead and press it down. I'm not satisfied though. All right, first letter's done. Now, I haven't pressed this down completely yet. It's just barely on here. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the letters on and then make sure I think everything looks good, and then I'll push down on the adhesive. So now these are just barely stuck on, and the reason I've done that is so we could stand back, take a good look, make sure everything's straight, make sure it looks right. Then we're going to go back and we're going to use a roller and roll each one of the letters down. Okay, so this is the rolling tool. You can get these on Amazon. You can get them anywhere. You also don't have to use one of these. You can just use your fingers and press really hard, but I have one, so I'm just going to go ahead and use it. As you can see, I've left the clear plastic on, and that is specifically so I don't scratch it or leave fingerprints all over it. With this tool, you just roll it back and forth. Nothing to it. Apply pressure and roll. And now, we'll just move on to the next one. Okay, y'all, tailgate's done. But before I show it to you, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about the tailgate. Here it is, and I'll see you guys down the road.